If your body always feels tense, wired, overstimulated, if your mind won't switch off even when you're exhausted, and if stress makes every fibro symptom 10 times worse, there is something that can help. And it has nothing to do with sitting cross-legged or trying to empty your mind. By the end of this video, you'll understand why meditation works so well for fibromyalgia, how to use it in a fibro-friendly way, and we'll even do a simple 60-second reset together. And stay with me, because at the end I'll tell you what happened today while I was recording one of my meditations, and it completely surprised me. So what is meditation? A lot of people think meditation means stopping all your thoughts, and it can be that, but it doesn't have to be. For fibromyalgia, meditation is much simpler. It's a way of helping your nervous system shift out of that constant high alert, fight or flight state and into the part of your body that repairs, restores, and reduces pain. When you live with fibro, your nervous system is more sensitive. It reacts faster, it holds tension longer, and even small stresses can spike symptoms. Meditation helps by lowering pain sensitivity, calming muscle tension, reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, improving your sleep, and supporting the vagus nerve and gut, releasing emotional overload, helping you reset after difficult moments. Personally, I grew up with meditation and I've dipped in and out of it throughout my life. Sometimes I forgot about it, but whenever I returned to it, it helped so much. And one thing I learned long before I understood the science is that stopping even for a few minutes can change your whole day. There are lots of meditation styles out there, but for fibromyalgia, what matters most is anything that helps your nervous system feel safer and calmer. That's the heart of it. And guided meditations make this much easier. When you're tired, foggy, or in pain, sitting in silence can feel impossible. That's where guided meditations make the biggest difference. Someone leads you step by step. Your mind doesn't have to try, it can just follow along. Guided meditation helps interrupt the pain and stress cycle. It softens muscle tension, it calms sensory overload, reduces emotional overwhelm, eases flare symptoms, and helps your body feel safer, which reduces pain signals. This is why I rely on guided meditations myself. They work even on days when nothing else does. Let me give you a few options you can start using straight away. First of all is the 60-second meditation, and we're actually going to do that right now. You can skip past this if you want to, but honestly, try it with me, especially if you've never meditated before. It's only a minute, and you might feel a shift you weren't expecting. Sit comfortably or lie down if that's easier. If it's okay, you can gently close your eyes. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your hands rest wherever they want. Take a slow breath in through your nose and gently breathe out through your mouth. No forcing, just let the breath fall away. Again, a slow breath in and a soft breath out. Let the muscles around your eyes relax. Let your chest soften. Imagine your whole body sinking just a little deeper into the support you are sitting on. One more slow breath in and a long, gentle exhale. Nothing to fix, nothing to figure out, just this small moment of peace. And when you're ready, gently come back. Okay, just take a moment to settle yourself again. Now, if you've felt even the smallest shift, that's your nervous system responding. And if you didn't, that's completely normal. Sometimes the benefit shows up later. I've released a couple of meditations like this on the channel already. Try one and let me know how it felt for you. So the second type of meditation I want to tell you about for fibromyalgia is the nervous system reset. And this is that 4-7-8 breathing that I'm always talking so much about. This is brilliant for flare spikes, panic style symptoms, and for sleep. So you inhale for the count of 4, hold for 7, and exhale for the count of 8. This resets your stress response quickly and gently. Another type of meditation is comfort first meditation. So settle yourself down and meditate in the softest, most supported position possible. Get out your pillows, your blankets, your heat pads. Fibro bodies relax more when you're supported, so use that to your advantage. The fourth thing you can try is walking or movement meditation, which is simply gentle walking while noticing your steps, your breath, or the sounds around you. This is great for stiffness and mental overwhelm. Then there's visualization for pain relief, one of my favorites. This includes guided meditations like body scans and gentle imagery, incredibly powerful for calming pain and unclenching that tension. It helps your mind shift your body into a more relaxed state. Then there's nighttime meditations, perfect for the tired but wired feeling. These can be short ones to help you wind down, ready for the evening and ready for bed, or they can be longer meditations that help you drift off to sleep. And I will be creating a sleep meditation in the new year. So general meditations are great, and you can use those for a start. There's so many of them over the internet, but they don't always speak to what a fibro body needs. Fibro-specific meditations focus on pain and tension, sensory overwhelm, the pain and stress cycle. They focus on pacing, fatigue, emotional pressure, and they help the body feel safe again. The language in them is intentional. The structure is usually calming. Nothing jars your nervous system. And this is why I created the Fibro Calm Library. They're a set of guided meditations designed specifically for fibromyalgia, for pain relief, grounding, flare calming, emotional release, breath work, morning support, and more. The library is linked below if you'd like to explore it. Earlier today, I was recording a pain relief meditation for the Fibro Calm Library. I wasn't even trying to meditate, I was just reading it aloud. But as I described the imagery, my mind naturally followed it, and I had a painful knot in my leg, which actually released on its own. I wasn't focused, I wasn't doing it properly, and it still happened. That's how powerful these techniques are. They work even when you're not perfect. Meditation isn't just relaxing, it's one of the most effective fibro tools we have because it works directly with the nervous system. And the nervous system is the center of our symptoms. Meditation gives you more control, it creates real physical changes in your body, and it helps you heal quietly in the background. Sitting down with a cup of tea for 5 minutes is a break. Stopping for 3 minutes to reset your nervous system through a guided meditation, that is healing. Now, to help you get started on your meditation journey, I've linked 2 that I've already recorded and released here. Pick one and try it over the next few days. Try it more than once and notice how your body responds after those small moments of calm. And if you want fibro-specific meditations you can download and take with you everywhere, the Fibro Calm library is linked below. So until next time, take care of yourself and be well.